BrandOlaplex. Item FormLiquid. Material FeatureSulfate free. Hair TypeAll. Product BenefitsRepairs hair and maintains bonds within the hair, adds shine, strengthens. The original bond builder. The only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. Highly nourishing reparative. Protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. How it works. A single molecule, free of silicones and oils, dramatically improves the hair strength, protects from within, and provides immediate results. Made to work on all hair types. From curly hair to stick straight, Olaplex is suitable beneficial for all hair types. Top reviews from the United States. Best hair product on the market. I have very dark hair. I have bleached it for many years. Over time it has become more dry and fragile. I discovered Olaplex. It is the best product I have ever used. It brought moisture and smoothness back into my hair. It is not frizzy and tangled anymore. I love it. I have thrown out all of my other shampoos and conditioners.